Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make your names initial using LEDs. Then we will use microcontroller to run LEDs in cool patterns. This is how it would look like. So we'll start by taking 10 LEDs. You can take any color of your choice, however I went with 5 different colors. Do note that you need to continue placing LEDs in the same polarity. The shorter lead of LED is cathode or the negative lead, and the longer lead is anode or the positive lead. You can also confirm it using a 3-volt coin cell battery. To make the latter, just start by placing LEDs onto the perf board and try making the required shape. I made the letter S and it looks like this. Make sure LEDs are placed correctly and then use cardboard or any other plain material to flip over the perf board without allowing LEDs to fall over. Then you can begin soldering the LEDs. To make soldering easier, I soldered one lead of all LEDs first and then heated up that solder joint and moved LEDs to the correct position. I repeated this process until I achieved the desired shape, and then I continued soldering the rest of the leads. Now use side cutters to cut off extra length of the leads. Next, place the 28-pin socket for the microcontroller onto the perf board and solder it. Soldering it would become much easier if you bend down the first and the last pin while positioning the socket flat with the perf board, and then start soldering each individual pin. Now solder all of the cathode or negative leads of LEDs together. So guys, now we can start soldering the anode or the positive leads of LEDs to the microcontroller using this pinout diagram. Starting from Arduino pin 2 connecting to the first LED and Arduino pin 11 connecting to the last LED. Following the diagram, connect each of the pins of microcontroller to the positive lead of LEDs. For example, pin 4 of microcontroller is digital pin 2 in Arduino, and thus pin 4 of microcontroller connects to the positive lead of first LED. Now connect pin 7 of microcontroller to pin 20 of microcontroller. So now you have to connect ground pin of microcontroller, which is pin 8, to any cathode lead of LEDs. Place 5-volt voltage regulator onto the perf board and solder it. Take a 9-volt battery connector and cut off half length of each wire. Then strip and tin both ends of the wires. Connect positive wire from battery connector to the first pin of voltage regulator. Next, connect negative or the ground wire from battery connector to the second pin of voltage regulator. Then connect third pin of voltage regulator to the 20th pin of microcontroller. After that, connect another wire from second pin of voltage regulator to any cathode lead of LEDs. For the last part, we need to program the microcontroller, for which we need Arduino-nano, a breadboard and few jumper wires. Do note that you would have to remove microcontroller from the Arduino while programming this external microcontroller. So make sure you don't have the SMD microcontroller in your Arduino, which is not removable. Link of detailed tutorial on how to program Mega 328P microcontroller is in the description of this video. Match up the notch on socket with the notch on microcontroller and push microcontroller into the socket while lining up the pins accurately. With that being done, this project is completed.